Good morning, everyone. How y'all doing today? It's your favorite Marine and inspirational success instructor. It's Big Daddy Chris right here today. How y'all doing today? Hope y'all are having a good Wednesday morning. Okay. Um, it's a little cold out, a little wet out up there in the city. It's a little icy out. We can ready to get a little bit of that ourselves tonight, I think. However, we're not going to let that impede us, are we? I'm not going to let this migraine that I got forming doggone prevent me from having success today. Nor are you going to prevent little things like that from preventing you from having success. Today, we're going to talk about success through adversity. Okay? Adversity is going to come to everybody. Everybody's going to have some sort of adversity, whether it's a car breaks down, you get icy roads like we're experiencing here in Oklahoma today. You're going to get tornadoes or a sick kid or a death in the family, or you're going to be sick. You're going to have a headache. You're going to have migraine. Okay? Whatever it is, there's going to be adversity through it. Okay? So how do we deal with that in order to have success that day? Okay? Quite honestly, success that day might be resting and getting over that. Sorry. Some people are going to say that's lazy. No, it's not. There's nothing wrong with letting your body heal a little bit. There's nothing wrong with taking a little time to do that. So if you're got a full-time job, you might take a little sick leave. Okay? If you don't have a full-time job and you're looking for a job, which should be your full-time job, hey, maybe you turn the lights down in your office while you're looking for work. Maybe you don't spend as much time on the computer that day doing it. Or you take a little bit more time before you get on the computer to do it. Okay? Those are some options. However, you do it, success is still the same steps. It's still the same process. You plan, you prepare, and you execute your plan. Okay? So, while all of us will have adversity in our lives, while all of us will have adversity through marriage, through death, through whatever, there will always be adversity that you'll have to overcome. So overcoming adversity for success, how do we do that? It becomes a mindset, really. I'm not going to let this adversity stop me from being what I need to be. I'm not going to let it stop me from being who I need to be. Okay? So what we need to do is say, hey, we're suffering through some adversity. Things are getting tough. But you know what? I'm going to stick it out, and I'm going to be successful. Tough times come. As my uncle and my dad used to say when I was growing up, when the going gets tough, the tough get going. And there's a lot of truth in that. Are you tough mentally? Because that's what it's going to take, is mental toughness to get through adversity. Whether you're having adversity at work, at home, wherever, you can still have success by overcoming that adversity. See, overcoming adversity is success. Overcoming adversity is success. Again, overcoming adversity is success. Okay? So, we can have success in so many different ways every day that we don't even realize it until we look back and count our ways that we had success that day. Okay? So today, guys, I want you to work on success through adversity and overcoming adversity. We're going to have some fun with this one, I think. Okay? So, y'all have a good day. And remember, success is totally, completely, and 100% up to you and your mentality, and have you planned, prepared, and executed for success. Have a great day. We'll see you next time. Ira!